There it is! Three monster trucks, a green one, a blue one, and a white one. Let's play! This is our racetrack. Are you ready? Hi friends, I'm Bloki, and today we're giving away these amazing Lego sets to the fastest subscribers. Enjoy! But first, it's time to build our racetrack. This is a big puzzle. Let's put the pieces together. The first part is ready. Let's put up the walls. And of course, the ring of fire. And there, all done. Let's check out our first monster truck. Oh wow, it's the green alligator. This monster truck has orange wheels, and look at these teeth. And there's the blue monster truck. It has a big red mouth, and it's very fast. Check it out. And this is a white monster truck. Guess what animal it is? That's right. It's a dog. Let's race. But first, we need to put the sand on. Like this. Now the racetrack is ready and our monster trucks are ready to race. Let's go. That was a good warm-up. Like and subscribe to this video, and let's continue the real race. Let's go! I'm so excited. First off, let's start with the green monster truck. Show us what you got, monster truck. That was a nice show, but let's see what the white monster truck has. Wow, that was awesome! But take it easy, white monster truck. You almost destroyed that vehicle. Time for the blue monster truck.